Be, was, were, been. I want to be a doctor in the future. I was hungry, so I ate a sandwich. They were hungry, so they ate a sandwich. I have never been happier. Become, became, become. To become a teacher, you need to study education. He became popular when he started at his new school. Has she become famous yet? Begin, began, begun. We should begin now because it is getting late. I began my university degree in 2018. Has she already begun the course? Bring, brought, brought. Remember to bring your books to class. Last year, I brought a present to your birthday party. We have all brought some food for the picnic. Buy, bought, bought. I need to buy a laptop because my old one is broken. You bought the item with cash. I have bought a lot of clothes this year. Choose, chose, chosen. I have to choose a nice dress for the special event. She chose the best option. Have you chosen the course that you want to study? Come, came, come. Please come to my party on Friday. He came to visit me yesterday. Has anyone come to see your new house? Do, did, done. I normally do my homework at 6 p.m. We did a lot of things on our holiday. Have you done the washing up? Drink, drank, drunk. I always drink 1 liter of water per day. Yesterday, I drank some wine. Have you ever drunk vodka? Drive, drove, driven. I drive to work every day. Last week, I drove 500 kilometers to visit my family. She has never driven a car before. Eat, ate, eaten. I like to eat my main meal at 5 p.m. Yesterday I ate sushi. Have you ever eaten octopus? Fall, fell, fallen. I usually fall when I run quickly. She fell down the stairs yesterday. He has never fallen in love. Feel, felt, felt. I don't feel well. She felt sad when she heard the news. He had never felt so much love for someone. Find, found, found. I need to find a new job. He found his mobile phone in his bag. Have you ever found any money in the street? Fly, flew, flown. We fly on the 28th of August. The parrot flew around the zoo. She has never flown an aeroplane. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Don't forget to do your homework. She forgot to come to the party. Have you ever forgotten your phone at home? Get, got, got. Can you go and get my phone, please? I got an A star in my exam. He has never got a bad mark in an exam. Give, gave, given. Give me a call when you're ready. He gave me a hug when we said goodbye. He has given me 2 gifts this year. Go, went, gone. I love to go to the beach during the holidays. I went home at about 10 p.m. She has already gone to work. Have, had, had. I have a lot of friends at school. He had an important meeting at work yesterday. Have you had any pets before? Hear, heard, heard. I can't hear you. I heard the news on the radio. They have heard that you're getting married. Keep, kept, kept. I'm going to keep this forever. They kept their important documents in a folder. She has kept her favourite photos since she was a child. Know, knew, known. I don't know who you are. I knew that you were coming to visit me yesterday. How long have you known him? Lend, lent, lent. Can you lend me your pen, please? She lent me her car for a day. I have lent cars from this company before. Leave, left, left. I want to leave as soon as possible. I left you a message, but you didn't reply. She has left her dog at home because they aren't allowed here. Let, let. I let my children use their tablets 1 hour a day. You let me borrow your bike last weekend. My mum has let me meet my friends tomorrow. Lose, lost, lost. I don't like to lose at board games. I lost my phone at a festival. The team has lost a lot of matches recently. Make, made, made. I normally make phone calls in the evening. They made new friends at their new school. Have you ever made a big mistake? Meet, met, met. I would like to meet you. She met her partner at university. Have you ever met a celebrity? Pay, paid, paid. I usually pay by card, not with cash. She paid for everyone's dinner as a gift. Have you ever paid too much for a product? Put. Could you put this on the table, please? We put the Christmas tree in the corner. Have you ever put some music on really loud at home? Read, read. I love to read poetry. In the summer, I read a fantastic novel. Have you ever read Pride and Prejudice? Run, ran, run. I can run very fast. He ran to the bus stop to catch the bus. Tom isn't here. He has run to the shop to get a drink. Say, said, said. I can say goodbye in French. She said to me that she was going on holiday. Have you said anything to him? See, saw, seen. I can't see anything without my glasses. I saw a really nice car yesterday. Have you seen the new shop in our town? Sell, sold, sold. They sell clothes and accessories. He sold his car on a website. You have sold your old computer. Send, sent, sent. Can you send me a message later? She sent me a birthday card. Have you sent any Christmas cards yet? Sing, sang, sung. You can sing very well. The crowd sang along to the band's new song. I have never sung in public. Sit, sat, sat. I like to sit in the front seat of the car. She sat next to her boyfriend on the plane. Have you ever sat at the emergency exit on a plane? Sleep, slept, slept. I always sleep 9 hours a day. The baby slept in the car on the journey. Have you ever slept in an airport? Speak, spoke, spoken. I don't speak German. She spoke to me in perfect English. Have you ever spoken to him? Stand, stood, stood. Don't stand up when the bus is moving. She stood up because she couldn't see the whiteboard. I have always stood at concerts. Swim, swam, swum. I don't know how to swim. They swam in the sea yesterday. I have never swum in an Olympic swimming pool. Take, took, taken. I need to take my medicine in the morning. Somebody took my pencil and now I can't find it. Have you ever taken your dog on holiday with you? Teach, taught, taught. I love to teach English. My math teacher taught me for 3 years. Have you ever taught someone how to speak your language? Tell, told, told. I need to tell you some important news. She told me a big secret. Have they told you that they are getting married? Think, thought, thought. I think that this is the best option. I thought that you had moved to another country. Have you ever thought about volunteering? Understand, understood, understood. I don't understand the question. She understood them speaking English. I have never understood people who are impatient. Wear, wore, worn. I don't like to wear high-heeled shoes. I wore a beautiful dress to the event. Have you ever worn that suit? Write, wrote, written. I love to write stories in my free time. I wrote an email to my boss. Have you ever written a book? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another video.